Are you concerned with water conservation and keeping your monthly water bills lower? Take a look at this typical basement laundry tap, etc. Now, if you can see on yours, you see this little nub here. You can see there's a water line coming off that. If I turn that, you can see that we've got water coming out of there. It's also being diverted from the tap right down through, and you'll see that it goes right into a black pipe in there, and the wing, here it is, you see, and right down through and into the drain. And off they go, and there's the tube. You can't really see it, but it is in there leaking water. So what they do is, I guess, to keep the trap full of water, and of course that will keep the sewer gases from coming up. So this water is, let's say, being diverted through, and keeping that trap full. But as you see, you can even see there's still a bit of water being siphoned off and down and through. But if you've got a laundry tap like this that you use frequently, you can just see how much water that really is just going down the drain. So take a look, and if it's something that you need to have taken care of, I'd suggest looking in. It's not an expensive unit to transfer out. Right.